California's Oak Fire has destroyed dozens of homes in Mariposa County, forcing thousands to evacuate.
Fire crews are making progress nearly a week after it ignited near Yosemite National Park. But officials admit there's still a lot of work left to be done. As of this morning, the Oak Fire was only 39% contained. It has burned more than 19,000 acres so far and destroyed at least 100 buildings. Now, around 2,200 residents are still under mandatory evacuation orders.
Dan Porter joins us now with more on this. He's the Forest Program Director for the Nature Conservancy in California. Dan, welcome. Thank you for joining us. So what conditions exactly are firefighters dealing with in the area near the Oak Fire?
Well, first off, thanks for having us on your program. The conditions in the field are incredibly hot and dry, and the terrain is rugged, steep slopes that are rocky and loose, very dangerous conditions.
Now, according to CAL FIRE, there have been more than 4,600 wildfires in California so far this year, burning a total of more than 53,000 acres. Now, I grew up in Colorado. Wildfires were something we dealt with almost every few years, it seems like, but then they started happening more and more. So is that a typical number for this time of year in California? And how do you see the rest of the fire season going based on the current climate in that state right now?
I can speak to California, which is where we're based, and so far 2022 has had a relatively slow start compared to recent years to the fire season, in large part because we've been spared the really strong winds that we've had in 2018, 2019, and 2020. There's no guarantee that that will remain the case. Going into August and September is really the height of our fire season, and the onshore winds can kick in at any time.
And so, Dan, what preventative measures could California take, or is California taking, to protect its ecosystem against these wildfires and the droughts?
I'm glad you asked. The California legislature and the Newsom administration have taken unprecedented action in funding preventative work that includes ecological thinning and prescribed fire application to reduce the hazardous fuels that exist in our overgrown forests. Those forests have gotten that way over the course of 100 plus years due to a history of fire suppression. So we are actively engaged with the state to implement projects like those with water agencies like Placer County Water Agency and the Yuba Water Agency to protect our water supplies.
Dan Porter, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.